Alright guys, so if you want to see how I achieved this simple everyday type of face, yes, got some little edges slicking and all of that good stuff. Uh, Continue to watch the rest of this video and what I have to show. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. I think that's it. It's not going to be very long. It's going to be quick and to the point. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I will do my best to answer them. So until the next time, I look forward to seeing you guys. Remember, Styles by BK. She been cute. Come get cute. This is a weird point to start the video, but here I am. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do, but so far I have used the crayon case, pencil, and Bear to do my eyebrows, and I have used the Milani Perfect and Conceal concealer in Amber, which is a little dark for me, but I'm gonna make it work to do my foundation as my foundation color. I've also used the concealer that I put on is LA Colors in Tan. Clearly I need some more of that, but this is where we are. Excuse like all the mess in the background, but here's where we are. I'm loving the way my brows came out thus far, and yeah, this is where we are. So I'm going to, I feel like the shade wasn't dark enough. It wasn't dark enough, but I'm gonna use it anyway. This is the Juvia's Place whatever in Madagascar. So I'm gonna use this. Just I normally do not do my face first as far as foundation. I normally don't do that first, but I wanted to try something different. So I'm going to blend it out. I have a brush here that I use to apply the foundation. I have my damp sponge. This is a sponge from the crayon case. And I have chalk dust setting powder in S. It's just a translucent powder that I may use over my, what is this? This is the CoverGirl translucent medium. So I have the Watch Me Blush palette, and I am using Sweet Tea. I'm using Sweet Tea. So let's see what Sweet Tea is gonna do for me. But I could freaking, so I added mascara as well, and I'm just doing this. I'm pretty much moving backwards. Here, this is Bay. So I'm gonna take the other end of the brush. I got it all over my nail. Let's see if I can swipe some of it off. This stuff is just beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful. So yeah, we putting this glow rest on my lids just a little bit. So I think I'll take this shade here on a, use that on a fluffy brush. Just gonna take a fluffy brush. Yeah, it looks green still, but it's clean. I washed it. And we're just gonna put a little color on our, just to break it up some, you know? Just to break it up. I want to get a little more fancier. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. This is the number 17. The one that I just used was the number 16. So I'm gonna go in and just deepen everything with this shade here. Very little. It's almost like, it's not black, you know, it's not black at all. It's like a very dark brown. Okay, and I'm just putting that in the outer V. Like, I'm really about to make a quick look. So I wanted just a little depth there. You see how I have nothing on the lid as far as like an eyeshadow shade, but if you, to me, like this side with that little, just a little deeper action going on, I don't know, it just did something different. It made it pop. So you don't have to do a lot to get a lot. So matte. I have crawfish, but I haven't picked it up from my best friend yet. She ordered it for me, just like she ordered all these goodies for me, but I haven't picked that one up yet. I have Carmex on my lips. I'm going to use my cotton candy eyelashes in India. So I have my lash, I have my kiss glue with aloe. This is what I use. It's a brush on glue. It's what I use. I like it. I haven't had any issues with it. So yeah. Normally I don't even put mascara on my top lashes, but I've already done it. So, but this is how I apply lashes. You guys should know. You should be a pro at it by now, okay? India is very cute, very full. Like, I don't even know. Excuse my dirty mirror, but like she's like, remember Styles by BK? She been cute. Come get cute.